This old blaster. We're about to replace this suspect coil and do us a couple other things here real quick and see if we can get this sucker sparking. It's throwing a nice white spark and it ain't working. That's a racing coil. So we're going back factory China OEM. This will work a lot better with the crusty DG pipe, dude. Look. And old school. So hopefully this gets rid of our white spark, which is just pissing me off. Guys, it's super strange. We got into this blaster, I got it a while back, and then I got discouraged with it and I was busy and I set it aside. And a lot of people think I don't work on it or, you know, it's going to waste, but it's not, man. It's like money in the bank. Whenever I can't find some deals and, you know, we're trying to work on stuff and we're working on this kind of shit right here that just that was sparking yesterday and now it ain't today. So you got to take a break and go back to the stuff that makes sense from Japan. And now we got this blaster sparking. Long story short, got the blaster sparking. We changed the coil. We were still getting, so with this racing coil, guys, ooh-wee, $7 for this racing coil. For some reason, Yamaha, they want about 120 for an OEM coil. But that's got to be better for racing. We got in here, we had a white spark with that coil when I got it. So it was sparking, had compression and everything, but it was a white spark. And it was frustrating me. And I did a compression test, and I'll do another one here in a minute. And this is pissing me off. So we swapped the coil. Still no spark. When I bought the quad, the kid told me he had deleted the tours. I believed him. I didn't know. I didn't look. You know what I'm saying? And he said it was running and just died on him. So usually tours, it'll start up, but it'll misfire like some bitch. So go in here, deleted the tours. Now we got a fat blue spark. All right, dude. So on the top of your carb, you'll have this throttle override. And there's a pigtail here to delete the tours. Look, guys, it's this simple. It takes this long. Unplug it. You could cut it if you're ruthless. Come up here, there's a brain under the dash with another pigtail. This one's got this machine has 3 pins on it, but you just disconnect that. And then you can come here, I've cut it. You can take it apart, you can unplug it down here, do whatever you want, but if you cut it, leave room to reconnect it if you have to. Tours is gone. Now there's one more step if you really want to be a baller. There's a throttle cable they sell that replaces this whole cap and the slide. So you drill it out, you put an idle screw in it. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon, and then you can get rid of this whole piece as well. But it works the same. We have the injector plugged. So we're going through the carburetor, and about time to rip this blaster. Guys have been asking for a blaster video. You know, I always got a blaster up my sleeve here or there. At least this way we got to fix a couple little issues. Carburetor spark, we'll go ahead and do us a nice compression test and see where we're at. And man, somebody should have bought it for $1,000. I put it on there, easy fix, and jackasses would be like, oh, easy fix, why don't you fix it? Won't you fix it? I fixed it. We fixed it, it's fixed. Don't worry about it. I'll do it when I have time. And when I, you know, this is a good one to have sitting around to work on later on, guys. Was it gonna hurt me to have this blaster sitting around? Come on. It's sitting here for a rainy day. Look how rainy it is outside. Super rainy day. A lot of guys ask me, my blaster, you know, goes, but it won't go fast, or it does this or that. First you do a compression test, then you do a leak down test. Both are on the channel. I got this on Amazon, Blue Driver Compression Tester Kit. It's very accurate. I've had many Harbor Freight gauges. And yeah, they're good for buying bikes. Kyle has one, he takes it with him, and every bike he goes and buys that don't start, he's like, oh, needs top end, 30 PSI on my Harbor Freight compression tester. Absolutely. And then you get home sometimes, oh, look at this, you had 120 PSI. And I ain't even supposed to be out here doing, generally I charge. As a whole group of adapters, if you got a pit bike or whatever size, spark plug, boys. And she'll get right up in there, thread her in, and I'll show you the rest, dudes. All right, so we got her threaded in there gently. Hold that throttle wide open. Okay, one kick. She's almost at 100. That's pretty impressive, ain't it?
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good, boys. Now, I tried selling this on Marketplace. Nobody believes old Jared. Told him easy fix, boys. Easy fix. I'm trying to bless the blaster game, dudes, but now y'all got me chasing spark issues. Price done doubled. We're good to go, boys. It's time to rip this mother as soon as we clean the carb. I'm loving the Chinese air filter. You see that?
It's quality.
That's quality. Yeah, you can tell it's quality because it hasn't caught a speck of fucking dirt.
It works. Catchy.
It just goes right through. We're gonna get all the dirt out of the carburetor, then we're gonna send it. So while Kyle's going through the carb, I'll go ahead and show this to you guys a little bit. And we're gonna have to work on these back brakes too, I believe, because it didn't grab just yet. Well, I think we can fix that. We got some sweet Bandit all-terrain tires on the back of it. I got the rims mounted backwards to make it thinner for some reason. Old OG crusty DG pipe. And then a decent DG silencer. It held up a little better. I should get enough compression to run. I'm gonna have to make it happen. Then we're gonna clean all this up and see if we can make her look worthwhile. Get her sold. People like blasters. All you boys asking for a blaster video, I told you I have one coming. Just be patient with me. Get me a choke going. All right, dudes. Come on now. Come on now, blaster.
No. 30 PSI.
Yeah. Fucking run out of top end. You might want some more. What the? Always loving a kill switch don't work. Cock off to the side, put your foot in like a BMX bike.
Oh yeah.
And skid her sideways. So now we're getting up in there, boys. I'm gonna get these brakes working so we can race. This is a racing four-wheeler. And if you're gonna be popping wheelies, you gotta have back brakes. So we're gonna clean all this up. He's gonna pull that hub off. I'm gonna adjust these. Okay, well, do you guys want left front brakes? It's better than none. I guess I might have to adjust it down here because those are pretty clapped out as well. Sweet, 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 sweet. Bring it up here on the bench and really go to town on it, but if we can get it broke free right there, I'm good with that. So guys, we got this cylinder in this puppy and we're going back and forth with it, trying to get it freed up, and then we're going to adjust the cable and hope we got back brakes. Wife's making me some stickers for it as we speak. How you see? Great, now I'm going to... So guys, we're getting up in there, gonna change this oil. Get some oil in it. We're gonna commit a sin right now. Y'all wanna see what it is? Look, man, first of all, you don't even put, you heard it, two strokes don't have oil. We've all heard that before from some jackass. That's only 600 millis. Look at this. This is sinful, boys. Hey, Cal. Sorry, boys, 650 milliliters. Let's see that plug right there. What was it, a 12?
Oh, yeah.
12 mil right into the engine. Pretty much where it's leaking from. Yellow skirt. 950 milliliter bottle, so we run it down to 300. Guys, no brakes. I told you if you want to stop it, look, just throw your leg.
Behind the wheel?
Yeah, behind the wheel. In front of the wheel. Between the wheel and the frame. Honda GN4, guys, for you Yamaha. Take that, take that. This guy's missing a back leg. He just keeps on keeping on, dude. He's eating nothing but rust. Look at him. What we got here? That's some rust, huh? That's some rust. We got this stuff here that says it fights rust, fights it. So I put it all over the pipe. Then you gotta get up in here and like beat it onto there. So I'm gonna get this all over this pipe and see if it'll do anything at all. We'll find out. It stinks bad. I got that stuff on there. I'm gonna leave it for about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna blast it with a pressure washer. Hopefully it takes some of it off. Who knows? Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Ain't rode this sucker since Pate, boys. Look at the color of that fuel. Brown. Guess I gotta go ride it real quick. Well, boys, now she's not only rust stained, but she stained other colors as well. Gave it 30 minutes, it did nothing. I try these products, you don't have to. You guys get up in the channel on that Banshee build that we did the top and bottom end on. It had two real rusty pipes, and we show you how to fix them the right way. Get up in there, dudes. This sucker's been sitting since paid. It needs to be revving. Wife made me a couple stickers for it. Time to SC1 it and list it, dudes. A lot of you guys ask how she does it. We've got a cutter. It cuts the yellow, it cuts the blue, it cuts the pink. She puts the pink on the backer, or the pink's already on the backer. She puts the blue over it, the yellow over that. Then I come out and put it on the ATV. Oh, that's a custom Yamaha Blaster. Guys, give it up. Magic spray. New bike in a can. Let's see if there's a new blaster in there with a pretty purple sheen on it. Let's give her a light. It's a funky color, purple, so it actually isn't doing as much as it usually does, to be honest with you. This is more of a matte situation we got going on here, but it is putting a little bit of color into it. Like, this is awful dry looking. It's a little sheen back on it. Crusty, boys. It smells good. Well, guys, there she is, all done. Hey, I want to shout out Van Dad and Sons. Appreciate this Texas flag, buddy. He got up in the P.O.Box, dude, and sent us that, and it buys me shade right here a lot earlier in the morning. So, I mean, he literally bought me hours of shade every day, and I really do appreciate it, Van Dad and Sons. Y'all can get up in there too, P.O.Box 210, Rhome, Texas. And I'm going to do y'all a solid. People ask where I post my machines for sale. They usually sell before I post them, to be honest with you. But what I'm going to do, because not everybody's my Facebook friend, and I'm currently not accepting Facebook friends because people will send me a Facebook friend request and then I'll look and they didn't share a video and I'm like, oh, we're supposed to be friends? Okay. So I don't even accept that one. I just leave them on red. But guys, if you want to know where these machines are from now on, I'm going to do this for everybody on Instagram. Follow us, Time Machine ATVs. I've been posting a lot of pictures here lately, and I'm going to start posting new bikes as they come through on Instagram. First place I list them, boys. Instagram from now on. That's for you guys. So you get up in there and, hey, when y'all see the damn price on Facebook and it's a little more than the one on Instagram, don't say nothing, because that's for y'all to know, okay? Appreciate you, boys. And I'm going to put this on Instagram right now. And if you guys are on there, man, it's going to have a special price tag lower than the ones for Facebook. And hopefully somebody who wants it gets it, guys. Currently, we're looking at front brakes on this thing. We didn't get the back ones going. Everything's freed up. Everything works. But it needs a new little pad and probably a cable. But the machine runs good. It's got a dented A-arm up here. There's a couple of other things with it, but I mean, you'd go ride it today for sure. And if you did the brakes on it, you could ride it, the rest of the year. So, wife hooked it up with the stickers, guys. Sorry, it was the fire drill. I wanted to get this done today, so I didn't get the process of making the stickers for you, but we're going to. I hear you, Travis. We're going to make it happen, brother. So don't worry about that. Big Red, 1987 Big Red 250 build we're doing. I got the tires on it. I've got another rack for it. We're about to finish disassembling it. I've ordered new seals for it and a new top end. I honestly only think it's going to be seals, and if it is, I'm not going to do the top end, but I want to have it here. So got the headlight fixed in there, coming, and it runs. So we got that done. We got another Big Red today that I plan on lifting like my other one. So guys, get up in there. Lots more to come. You guys were asking for a Blaster video. Get in the comments. Let me know what you think, and let me know what y'all want to see. And if I can do it, I will, man. You know I ain't holding out on you guys. FL350, I'm holding out on that thing till it's done. It runs, but I got to get the fenders in, and I'm being stubborn right now because everybody's price gouging. They bought out Aftershock Motorsports, which they were usually $780 shipped, and now they got them on eBay for $1,500. So they just bought out the retail store, tried to double the price. So I got time, boys. I'll wait. I got time.